Very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Math Teachers Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some important examples of exercise 7A. So, my question is, if three or more parallel lines are intersected, if three or more parallel lines are intersected by two transversal. What is transversal? Two parallel lines are intersected by a line, then this line is called transversal. So L and M are parallel lines and this line is intersected by both parallel lines at two distinct points, then this line is called transversal. If three or more parallel lines are intersected by two transversal, prove that the intersects made by them on the transversal are proportional. Students, we draw a figure. Three or more parallel lines. Three parallel lines. L, M and N. L, M and N are three parallel lines cut by a transversal AB and CD. Cut by a transversal AB and CD. So AB transversal cut by line point P, Q and R. P, Q, R and E, F and G. If three or more parallel lines are intersected by two transversal, three parallel lines L, M and N, intersected by two transversal AB and CD, prove that साबित कीजिए कि the intersects. What do you mean by intersects? जो three parallel lines are cut by a transversal AB, then PQ and QR are intersects made by them on the transversal are proportional. So given three lines L, M and N. Three lines L, M and N. Three lines L, M and N such that L parallel M parallel N. Such that L parallel M parallel N. Three lines are cut by. These lines are cut by two transversal. Cut by the transversal versals AB and CD. Cut by a transversal AB and CD in P, Q, R and AB and CD, E, F and G respectively. Three lines L, M and N. Three lines है L, M and N. Such that L parallel M parallel N, L parallel M parallel N, तीनों लाइन्स पैरेलल हैं. इस प्रकार है तीनों लाइन के तीनों लाइन्स आपस में पैरेलल हैं. These lines are cut by the transversal AB and CD. ये तीनों parallel lines को दो transversal कट करता है AB and CD. इन पॉइंट पी क्यू आर पॉइंट पे कट करता है ट्रांसवर्सल ए बी, एंड ई एफ जी पॉइंट पे कट करता है ट्रांसवर्सल सी डी। सो टू प्रूव दैट PQ by QR equal to EF by FG. To prove that PQ by QR equal to EF by FG. Construction PM. Draw a line PM is parallel to CD. Draw a line PM is parallel to CD. PM parallel to CD. Meeting line M at H and line N at M. ड्रॉ PM पैरेलल CD. PM एक लाइन हमने ड्रॉ किया जो कि CD के पैरेलल है। ये PM लाइन M लाइन के H पॉइंट पे मिलता है और N लाइन के M पॉइंट पे मिलता है। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, look the figure carefully. PH is parallel to EF by construction. PH is parallel to EF by construction, and PE is parallel to HF given in your question. So PH is parallel to EF and PE is parallel to HF. So PEFH is a quadrilateral PEFH. PEFH is a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite sides are parallel. Both pair of opposite sides are parallel in a quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is called parallelogram. So PH is parallel to EF and PE is parallel to HF. So we say that कि PEFH is a parallelogram. So and the property of the parallelogram कि opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So PH equal to EF and PE equal to HF. So PH equal to EF. Equation 1. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. And now HF parallel MG, HF parallel MG and HM parallel FG. So HFGM quadrilateral HFGM is a parallelogram. So we say that कि HM equal to FG. Equation 2. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. In a triangle PRM. Now in triangle PRM, in triangle PRM, QH is parallel to RM. Given M line is parallel to N line, then we say that QH is parallel to RM. QH is parallel to RM. So PQ by QR equal to PH by HM by Thales theorem. By Thales theorem. PQ by QR and PH equal to EF. Equation first. Using equation first, PH equal to EF. Then HM equal to FG. Using equation 1 and 2. Using equation 1 and next question is 16. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral and PQRS are the points of trisection of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively and are adjacent to A and C. Prove that PQRS is a parallelogram. First of all, we draw a figure. ABCD is a quadrilateral. So A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. P, Q, R, S are the points of trisection. What do you mean by trisection? Trisection, it means three equal parts. A line segment just like a AB. AB divided into three equal parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Three parts are equal and each part is called trisection. So PQRS are the points of trisection of the sides AB. F are the points of trisection of the side AB. P point, side AB. AB. But how? Where? Here and here. AB, BC, CD and DA respectively and are adjacent to A and C. Are adjacent to A and C. यानी जितने PQRS वो A और C पॉइंट्स के ही बगल में है. इसका मतलब है कि जो हमारा ट्राइसेक्शन जो PQRS पॉइंट हमारा होगा वो यहाँ से होगा. जैसे P, Q, R and S. All points are adjacent to A and C. Adjacent to A and C. Prove that PQRS is a parallelogram. Just joining PQRS PQRS is a parallelogram. So given a quadrilateral ABCD, a quadrilateral ABCD in which PQRS are the points of trisection of AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. To prove that PQRS is a parallelogram. Prove that PQRF is a parallelogram. Construction: join AC. Join AC. Join AC. Proof. Students, PQRF is a parallelogram. Construction: join AC. First of all, in triangle BCA, BCA, अगर AB साइड्स में 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया, सपोज डैट 1, 1 एंड 1, तीनों यूनिट डिस्टेंस का, अगर यहाँ से यहाँ तक का लेंगे तो यहाँ तक यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा 2, और यहाँ से यहाँ तक क्या होगा 1 पार्ट, क्योंकि 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, हम एक पार्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, तो इस पार्ट को हम लोग क्या लेंगे 1 यूनिट, और यहाँ से यहाँ तक का कितना हो जाएगा 2 यूनिट, यानी टोटल 3 यूनिट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है। तो BP बाई PA का जो रेशियो होगा वो 2:1 होगा, एंड BQ बाई QC का भी रेशियो क्या हो जाएगा 2:1 होगा, एंड DR बाई RC का रेशियो भी 2:1, एंड DF बाई FA का भी रेशियो 2:1। ये 2:1, ये 2:1, ये 2:1, ये 2:1, because all are 3. So in triangle BAC, BQ by QC equal to BP by PA, BP by PA equal to 2/1, equal to 2/1. जब इन ए ट्रायंगल BAC में साइड का प्रोपोर्शनल, यानी BP बाई PA एंड BQ बाई QC अगर आपस में के, तो ये लाइन इस लाइन का क्या होगा पैरेलल होगा। तो वी से दैट कि PQ इज पैरेलल टू AC है, PQ इज पैरेलल टू AC। इक्वेशन फर्स्ट, कन्वर्स ऑफ BPT, बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम। एंड नेक्स्ट इन ट्रायंगल DAC, इन ट्रायंगल DAC यानी DF बाई FA इक्वल टू DR बाई RC। इन ट्रायंगल DAC, DF बाई FA इक्वल टू DR बाई RC इक्वल टू 2/1। सो FR is parallel to AC. Equation 2 by converse of BPT. Thus, from equation 1 and 2, we get, students, PQ is parallel to AC and FR is parallel to AC। ये लाइन इस लाइन के पैरेलल और ये लाइन भी इस लाइन के पैरेलल, तो ये दोनों लाइन भी आपस में क्या होगा पैरेलल होगा। इसलिए we say that कि PQ is parallel to FR। and similarly join BD, similarly by joining BD, joining, then we can prove RSP parallel RQ। equation PQ is parallel to FR and SP is parallel to RQ, then we say that PQRF is a parallelogram because both sides are parallel in a quadrilateral। 18. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O। Prove that AO by OC equal to BO by OD. First of all, we draw a figure. ABCD is a trapeze. A, B, C, D is a trapeze in which AB parallel DC. AB is parallel to DC, and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. And the diagonal of the trapezium AC and BD intersect at O. So, given ABCD is a trapezium, ABCD in which AB is parallel to DC, and its diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. To prove that AO by OC equal to BO by OD. Construction. Draw EO is parallel to AB. Draw EO is parallel to AB. Now proof. In triangle DAC, in triangle ADC, A by ED, EO is parallel to DC. क्योंकि AB is parallel to DC is parallel to EO. EO is parallel to DC. EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB is parallel to DC. EO is parallel to DC. So A by ED equal to AO by OC by converse of Thales theorem by DPT. Now in triangle DAB, EO is parallel to AB, then DE by EA equal to DO by OB. We write multiplicative inverse of DE by EA by DE equal to OB by OD. Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, AE by ED and AE by ED, LHS is equal, then RHS is equal. AO by OC equal to BO by OD.